For me, so the workshop sessions is everyone's hugging us. Afterwards, everyone's asking to connect with us, right? Obviously, we get recommendations, but that's just the workshop itself. Have we hit all of the objectives? Have we hit all of the outcomes? Does the executive sponsor have what they need to be able to move forward? So a lot of what we do are vision and design sprints, right? So a vision sprint could be setting a strategic roadmap for a function or organization or an entire company. And that could be 1, 3, 6 months, or it could be 1, 3, 5 years, right? And success is more than just the workshop itself, but that they actually execute. It's hard to plan for 3 to 5 years out, but we're really happy if within the 1 year, everything that they've committed to, we tie names to things, we tie milestones. If we check back in with them, in a month or 3 months, everyone's on track or at least has started the process, right? So that for us usually is success. Anything you want to add to that, Candice?
Um, I would agree. I mean, for us, ultimately, it's great if we have a great workshop, but we've had lots of great workshops and nothing ever happened in the client because their operating model didn't support execution or they couldn't get buy-in from the right stakeholders after the workshops, etc. So for us, it's really important, one, that we have the right people in the room. There has to be a sponsor who has the power, the money, and the influence